Today, time check, 7 o'clock. Temperature is 31 degrees. Really summer. Very hot. I'll see you in a bit. Do we say our last goodbye? I know it's true. How are you, Ruby?
Hi.
Ruby is back.
Ruby is back.
Lalo na pagka, di ba nang pagkakita tayo sa King City noong araw? Diba? At least, kung makakuha ka ng mga cash jobs, kuha ka ng cash jobs. Ang dami. You know, meron ako noon mga flat shoes. Pero, meron nga kami nga
sa winter.
Hindi, talaga ring malinis.
Kung ano may sale?
Sa akin, pag lalapit ka sa akin, makikita mo yung pagkalubulok-kulubot ng mukha ko.
We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's just keep it. There's a choice when we can. We're saving our lives. Strength to make a better day.
Because it's really hot today, so our recourse when it's really hot here in Canada is we go by the water. We are by the water right now. The water, we're here in Lakeshore. Just a little bit. There's my friend. Sarap ng hangin. Saan tayo po? Ano ka ba? Wala na tayong maupuan. Oh, tama-tama dito nga. Parang nasa ulo mo yata kung saan tayo talaga. Ayun o, meron. What a surprise. Ito ba yung yellow and pink?
O gusto mo yun doon sa kumul na table doon?
Saan?
Ayan, yung may buko.
Ano?
Ha?
No. Tagal naman namang walang yan na to.
Alin?
Ayun o, yung mga bag.
Ito o.
Yeah, this one here. Yeah.
Yung may tugtog o para masaya.
Asan na yung tugtog?
Ayun, maririnig ko doon kaya masaya.
Ayun, wala yata nakaupo doon. Pero saan, wala tayong... Oh, there's another one there.
Ayun, may lamesa na yun. Pwede na tayo mag-share doon.
Oh, i-ask mo siya.
Ito na.
Okay lang. We are here. Sana, mabait. Diba?
Can you share? Thank you.
May music pa. Kabisa ka. Baliw eh.
Sabi, kala ko ba may kapagkano sila?
Patay ka, buti na lang. Ay, kamukha mo yung anak mo. Kamukha yung anak mo.
Sino si Angeline?
Yeah.
Tama, hindi pantay short ko.
90 minutes lang. Baliw. Reggae pala to. Walang yan.
Perfect na
Kaya nga, tama na yung pagkabaliw ko. Hindi na raw. Hindi naman malaki ang views ko doon. Wala pa masandaan. Lomi. Meron pala talaga ang lomi. Merong Lomi here with my friend. With the CN Tower. back to the Lomi. I always dream of this way. Lovers in Lovers in the night. So it's around 9 o'clock now. We have to stay near the water so we don't get affected by the heat on the city. Well, it's either we stay here or we stay inside the house. Panay siya. Meron tayo. Parang ano, sunny side yan, ano? Yung mararating natin. May washroom kaya? Oh, dito yata ang washroom.